A string is a sequence of characters, letters, numbers, symbols, wrapped in quotes. In Python, you can use single or double quotes. Pick one and stick with it. Strings are indexed. Every character has a position starting from 0. So the first character is index 0, the second is index 1, and so on. You can also count from the end using negative indexes. -1 gives you the last character, -2 gives you the second to last. You can join strings together using the plus operator. This is called concatenation. Or you can use F strings, which let you drop variables directly inside a string using curly braces. F strings are cleaner and the preferred way. Slicing lets you extract a portion of a string. The syntax is start, stop, step. Start is where you begin. Stop is where you end, but that position is not included. Step is how much to jump each time. Python gives you a lot of built-in string methods. Upper and lower change the case. Strip removes white space from both ends. Replace swaps one substring for another. Split breaks a string into a list. Join does the opposite. Merges a list into a string. There are also check methods. Starts with and ends with return true or false. Find returns the index of a substring or -1 if not found. Count tells you how many times something appears. The in operator checks whether a character or substring exists inside a string. It returns true or false. Simple and very useful. Strings are indexed from 0. F strings make formatting clean and readable. And Python's built-in methods cover almost everything you'd want to do with text. Next chapter, numbers, integers, floats, math operators, and the built-in functions Python gives you to work with them.